What's up guys, welcome back to Montreal. I just spotted the church right in front of me that I want to check out. So let's take a look right away. So today is Sunday and obviously I don't trade on Sundays. I don't want to review a few things in my week and analyze the market for the next week, the week ahead. So I'll do that today and I'll bring you guys with me, of course. Out the market here in Montreal. We have some markets here, a little bit like in Asia, but it's a bit different, so check it out. Unlike many markets in Asia, it smells really good here. That pretty much did what I wanted to do today. Now, there's another subject I want to address in this video. I will talk about why a lot of traders are not successful. One thing I hate though is that a lot of people, when they're going to talk about this, they're going to say it's because people don't know how to do this, this, and that, and they're going to try to sell the reports. So I'm going to try to explain to you guys something that I learned a couple of days ago when I was talking with those traders I talked about in Montreal. The reason why people are not successful is simply because they don't trade something that's in line with their personality. Let me explain a little bit. Personality is like the wind. If you go with it, it's easier. If you go against it, it's tougher. But it doesn't mean it's impossible. The thing is that when we talk about trading for personality, we don't only mean trend following versus reversal. It's not only that. It's everything. So the risk, the strategy, the setup, the tools, all this is in line with your personality. It has to be in line. Like any trader out there, you have goals, right? If not, you probably have to stop watching this video and make some goals. The thing is, there's many ways to accomplish your goals. Goals like a place you want to go, but there's many paths you can take. And that's where personality comes in. You might have different ways of doing things because of your personality. So someone might go to his goal faster and just straight away. It's going to risk more money. The other person might not be able to risk more money. It's going to go more slow. And if you take the wrong path, you're not going to feel comfortable. Let's say you like to walk and you take a bicycle. It's not going to work to go to your place. It's going to be more difficult. You need to ask yourself a question because that's the only way you're going to figure out what works best for you. As much as traders or people like to say that you cannot risk a lot on one trade, there's people who risk a lot of money on one trade. And that's because they're comfortable with it. They're not going to feel stressed or worried if they risk too much money because they're used to it. That's their personality. Of course, you never want to risk so much as to risk blowing up your account. That's not a personality thing. That's just a stupid thing to do. But you can increase the percentage of risk if you're comfortable with it. But your job is going to be to ask yourself, am I comfortable risking more? Or do I feel like stress in general with money overall, like in your life? Ask yourself that question, and if the answer is no, well, stick to the basics, stick to low risk. And when it comes to the actual how you trade, like your trading strategy, your method, your signal, this is where you really have to experiment. You have to try different things. And it's not just for fun that traders in bank go through all the markets, all the different possibilities before they pick the right one and before they get told what is best for them. And you could be taught a strategy by the best trader in the world, but you would still fail because it's not going to fit your personality, and that's totally fine. I was told from a friend last Friday that he was showing one of his indicators to people how it works, and it's really simple. You buy and sell one where this and this happens, but most people who used it ended up using it another way. They ended up not using it the right way. They were losing money. They were skipping trades. So that's why I believe so much more in having you guys create your own strategy, making sure you're comfortable with it, and then helping you with the execution, because that's the hardest part. That part that most people are going to benefit the most from. So I'll get back to home right now. Hope you guys have been able to get something of value out of this. If you like the video today, give it a like. Comment below with any thoughts, any question you have. I want to hear those thoughts, of course. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. I'll love to see you here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.
little baby, baby.